I'm Jeannie Ruiz, Executive Director with Partners Driving STEM. We're based in Portland, Oregon, United States, up in the Pacific Northwest, and we are curriculum developers, trainers, and teachers that work with 1080 Education and other groups around the world. Today, I'd like to introduce to you STEAMstart, which is our program for very young children and a way to introduce the engineering design process through investigations. We also do a lot of storytelling with this series and start each of 5 STEAM investigations with a story or poem or fact-based piece of writing so that you have some language arts connections. In this case, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math STEAM investigations build toward the unit challenge, which is Pet's Playground, where kids and teams are encouraged to use all the knowledge they've built up over 5 activities to troubleshoot a pet's playground that has to meet the scale and the mass load weight of a classroom hamster. So there are a lot of elements to this, and we will do a deeper dive at later time, but I just want to give you a little bit of an intro so that you can take a look and go find some more information about us. But we're STEAMstart, this is Pet's Playground, and I'm Jeannie Ruiz. Thanks.